Hello, boys and girls. It's Miss Nestor again. So we are on day 2 of our math, which is lesson 12.2, and we are going to describe two-dimensional shapes. So our question for this day is, what attributes can you use to describe two-dimensional shapes?
These 4 shapes can be sorted into 2 groups. One group has shapes that are curved. How can you describe a curved side? A curved side is rounded. The other group has shapes with straight sides. How can you describe a straight side? A straight side is not rounded. Now let's sort the shapes into the correct group, curved or straight. Start with the square. Does the square have curved sides or straight sides? It has straight sides, so drag the square to the straight column, then click check.
Well, it's not wanting to work for me. Hello? Hold on.
Next, look at the rectangle. Does the rectangle have curved sides or straight sides? The rectangle has straight sides, so drag the rectangle to the straight column too. Now try the circle. Does the circle have curved sides or straight sides? The circle has curved sides. Drag it to the curved column.
Here we go again, not wanting to work. Let's go, computer. We had this trouble with the square. All right, I couldn't get it to move, so I just drew one. So if it would work like it's supposed to, I would drag it, and it would be here. So the last thing is the triangle. Is it curved or is it straight? It would be straight. So I'm going to draw a triangle since it didn't work. All right, so you should have square, rectangle, and triangle under straight line, and the circle should be under the curved line.
This two-dimensional shape is called a trapezoid. It has straight sides. How many sides does a trapezoid have? Click to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. A trapezoid has 4 sides. A trapezoid also has vertices or corners. When you're talking about a single corner, it's called a vertex. How many vertices does a trapezoid have? Click each to show all vertices. A trapezoid has 4 vertices. This two-dimensional shape is called a hexagon. It also has straight sides. How many sides does a hexagon have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A hexagon has 6 sides. A hexagon also has vertices or corners. How many vertices does a hexagon have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
A hexagon has 6 vertices. So how are the hexagon and the trapezoid alike? Both are closed shapes, and both shapes have straight sides and vertices or corners. How are the hexagon and the trapezoid different? The trapezoid has 4 sides and 4 vertices. The hexagon has 6 sides and 6 vertices. Now let's practice with the,
Okay, we'll do a couple of exercises here. All right, enter the number of straight sides. We know that a hexagon, this is what it looks like. It has 6 straight sides and 6 vertices or corners. A rectangle has how many? 4 sides and 4 corners or vertices. A square, how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. and how many corners? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, a trapezoid. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides and 4 vertices. And triangle. 1, 2, 3, 3 sides and 1, 2, 3 corners.
You did it!
All right, let's do a few more. The rectangle, do you remember how many vertices or corners it had? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job.
Excellent!
Triangle, how many sides? 3. How many vertices or corners? 3.
Fantastic!
Trapezoid, how many sides? 4.
Good job!
We'll do one more. Enter the number of sides and the number of vertices or corners. The triangle has how many sides and vertices? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So it is 3.
Excellent!
Good job. All right, now we're going to complete our workbook for today. For the workbook pages in math today for lesson 12.12, it's 678, 679. We just have 2 workbook pages today. All right, so what we're going to do is some shapes have straight sides and corners or vertices, like the trapezoid and the hexagon. Okay, the sides are straight and then it has corners. Okay, so we're going to use 2-dimensional shapes. We're going to draw and we're going to write to complete the chart. Okay, all right, so I'm going to get my little pencil here ready. Remember, don't make fun of me. Don't laugh. I know you guys love how I draw, but all right. So we're going to do a hexagon. They've already drawn it for us. You can try to trace it. I will do this with you, and then I will post the blank ones on Seesaw for you to access and complete on your own. Number of straight sides, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you're going to write a 6 here. Same with the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Rectangle, we're going to draw it. Remember, it's not exactly straight because they're supposed to be straight, but on the computers and tablets it's a little harder. All right, how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4 straight sides and 4 vertices or corners. Square. Remember, square is a type of rectangle with the same sides. It is 4 sides and 4 vertices or corners. Trapezoid, that's this shape up here. So the top is a little, and these are diagonal. And there we go. That's kind of a trapezoid. How many straight sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many vertices or corners? 4. Last one, a triangle. 3 corners or vertices and 3 straight sides. All right, so I did that with you. We will come back and I will let you complete one on your own on Seesaw. And now we are on page 679, and they want us to use blue to trace each straight side and red or pink to circle each vertex or corner, and then we're going to write the number of sides and corners. So we're going to take number 6. I'm going to get a blue color so that we can see the difference. Use blue to trace each straight side. So I'm going to use my pen here to trace 1, 2, 3. So we have 4 sides. Okay, and now I'm going to circle with red or pink the corners. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 vertices. Okay, and that is a square. It is turned to where it looks like a diamond, but it is a square. All right, I'm going to go back up and change back to my blue crayon. Number 7, this is a rectangle, so I'm going to trace 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Then I'm going to go back and get my red crayon and circle my vertices or my corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 vertices. Okay, that is a rectangle. So we have our square and our rectangle. I'm going to go back and get my blue crayon. This is a triangle. We have 1, 2, 3 sides. Another triangle. I'm going to go ahead and do that one. 1, 2, 3. Okay, trade back and get my red crayon. Circle the 1, 2, 3 corners or vertices. Same with this one because it is a triangle as well. We have 3 vertices. Okay, we have 2 more shapes. Do you remember what this shape is? Awesome job. All right, let's go back and get my blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is a hexagon. So it has 6 sides and how many vertices? If you notice, there's a pattern. They all so far have the same amount of corners or vertices. So we have 6 sides and 6 vertices or corners. Okay? And this is our trapezoid. Get my blue crayon back. And I'm going to trace it. And we had 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Whoops. That's a really funky 4, but 4. Get my red crayon back. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices or corners. All right, so there we have our straight sides and our vertex or corner. Okay? Awesome job, boys and girls. So that is all of our math work for day 2. Lesson 12.2. Remember, I will post blank worksheets for you on Seesaw for you to complete. These videos are just me teaching so you can hear my voice and feel a little normalcy like we're in the classroom. I miss you guys. We're also going to do, I'm getting ready to do another scholastic with you for science, and it's Don't Mess with This Dad. That is coming up, and we're going to learn about a frog. All right, so we are finished with this lesson.